Welcome to this powerful mindfulness feeling exercise, a mindful somatic practice for emotional release, adapted from Arnold M. Patton's feeling exercise in You Can Have It All, 1995. This simple yet deeply transformative mindfulness technique invites you to move beyond judgment and into direct experience of your emotions as energy. Rather than analyzing, suppressing, or intellectualizing what you feel, this practice teaches you to witness, accept, and alchemize emotion, restoring a centered, empowered state of being. Emotions are not problems to fix, but messages from the subconscious and an opportunity for reconnection with ourselves. When experienced mindfully, they carry wisdom and power that can bring us into greater alignment with our inner truth. This exercise aligns with holistic and trauma informed counseling practices. Use this technique in therapeutic sessions or as a self guided tool for grounding and emotional integration. It is beneficial during times of emotional intensity, such as feeling overwhelmed, triggered, stuck, or disconnected. Instructions for practice. Step 1, pause and tune in. Close your eyes. Begin to slowly scan your body from head to toe. Bring your attention inward and ask, how am I feeling right now? Notice where emotion is held in the body: tightness in the chest, heaviness in the gut, tension in the shoulders. Stay curious and open. Step 2, feel without the story or labels. Bring full awareness to the sensation of the feeling, free of labels, thoughts, or stories. Let go of mental analysis. Instead, become the observer of the raw, energetic quality of the emotion. Note, the body often stores emotional memory, psychosomatic energy, in specific areas. In holistic healing, the physical body represents our subconscious programming, communicating our vital needs and lack of balance. These sensations can reflect unresolved trauma or misalignment with our deeper needs. Allow the emotion to simply be without judgment, resistance, or the need to fix it. Step 3, meet the emotion with unconditional love. Bring compassion to the sensation you're feeling. Feel love for the feeling exactly as it is, even if it's painful, heavy, or confusing. Honor the energy and intensity of the emotion as a natural part of your human experience. Step 4, reclaim the power in the feeling. Recognize this emotion as energy, and energy is power. As the energy intensifies, see it not as something overwhelming, but as your own life force rising. Feel the vibration of the emotional energy moving through your body. Step 5, gratitude and integration. Say silently or aloud, "This is my power." Express gratitude for your body's ability to communicate and process this energy. Ask, what might this feeling be trying to teach me? You may wish to place your hand over your heart, belly, or any area of tension and offer yourself a simple affirmation such as, "Thank you, body. Thank you, emotion. I hear you. I honor you. I release what no longer serves." Every feeling, free of fear and in its undistorted form, is some aspect of love or joyfulness. When we let go of judgment and open our hearts, we give ourselves the joy of feeling all the ways that we love ourselves, others, and the world around us. Arnold M. Patent. This exercise can be practiced daily or whenever emotional overwhelm arises. Use it as a grounding tool in sessions, before journaling, after conflict, or during moments of self doubt or anxiety. Pair this with breathwork, body scans, or gentle movement to aid in emotional release and regulation. How strong of a shift did you experience by following this exercise from 110, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest number? Ask, what emotion did I meet in this session? What did it feel like in my body? What message or insight did this feeling offer me?